In the world of cutting-edge mobile technology, there are devices that push performance boundaries, and then there are those that redefine what a smartphone can be. The Samsung Galaxy W25 lands firmly in the latter category, emerging as a rare, luxury foldable that blends advanced engineering with opulent craftsmanship. As part of our Spec Dossier series, this review doesn't just list specifications. It examines how every aspect of the phone comes together in practice, from the way it feels in your hand to the way it transforms your day-to-day digital life. This is a device that doesn't just aim to compete, it aims to stand apart. The design and build quality immediately signal exclusivity. Samsung has opted for a polished ceramic back panel paired with a gold aluminum frame, each edge and contour exuding a sense of artisanal precision. Even the hinge has a finely textured finish, complemented by a subtle heart-of-the-world logo that reinforces the W25's collector's item status. Measuring just 4.9 millimeters when unfolded and 10.6 millimeters when closed, and weighing in at about 255 grams, it feels surprisingly manageable for a foldable of this size. Add in an IP48 rating for water and dust resistance, and you have a device that is as resilient as it is luxurious. Opening the W25 reveals one of its most captivating features, an expansive 8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X foldable display with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a silky 120 Hz refresh rate. The cover screen, measuring roughly 6.5 inches, matches the main display's fluidity and brightness, making it equally pleasant to use when folded. Whether browsing, streaming, or gaming, the visuals are crisp, vivid, and immersive, holding up well even under bright sunlight. Under the hood, the Galaxy W25 is unapologetically powerful. It runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, paired with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage options ranging from 512 gigabytes to a staggering 1 terabyte. In real-world use, this translates to effortless multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and smooth gameplay even with graphically demanding titles. The phone remains cool under pressure, and the performance ceiling feels almost unreachable in everyday use. Battery life, as with most foldables, is about balance. The W25 houses a 4,400 mAh cell that can comfortably see you through a full day with moderate use. Charging is swift, with 25W wired charging and 15W wireless charging, ensuring minimal downtime. While it's not the largest battery in its class, the efficiency of a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 helps stretch the runtime without compromising performance. Photography is where the W25 truly flexes its superiority over Samsung's mainstream foldables. The rear triple camera system is led by a massive 200MP main sensor, accompanied by a 12MP ultra-wide and a 10MP telephoto lens. Images are rich in detail, with excellent dynamic range and accurate colors in both daylight and low-light conditions. Video capture is equally strong, benefiting from stable footage and smooth focus transitions. Selfie options are versatile too, with a 10MP front camera on the cover screen and a discrete 4MP under-display camera on the inner panel for video calls. On the software side, the W25 ships with Android 14 running Samsung's refined One UI 6.1.1, complete with Galaxy AI enhancements that add intelligent text generation, photo editing, and translation capabilities. Samsung promises up to 7 years of major Android updates, which is a strong commitment to longevity for such a high-priced device. The UI feels polished and optimized for the foldable experience, with seamless app continuity between the main and cover screens. Audio performance holds its own thanks to stereo speakers likely tuned with Dolby Atmos support, delivering a balanced and immersive sound profile whether you're watching movies or playing music. Connectivity is cutting edge too, featuring 5G, Wi-Fi 6E/7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS, and dual SIM support, ensuring the phone keeps pace with modern networking demands. Storage needs are well addressed, with configurations offering up to 1 terabyte of internal storage, though there's no microSD expansion. Security is handled by a responsive, side-mounted fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for quick unlocking. Durability is further reinforced by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, ensuring the phone's elegance is matched by practical resilience. Of course, all this sophistication comes at a cost, literally. With a price tag hovering around $1,900 and its China-exclusive release, the W25 is not positioned as a mass-market purchase. It's a statement piece, a showcase of Samsung's most premium hardware and design philosophy. Extras like exclusive wallpapers, custom animations, and luxury-grade packaging only deepen its identity as a device for connoisseurs rather than casual buyers. In the end, the Samsung Galaxy W25 is a rare blend of engineering excellence and design indulgence. It checks every box on the spec sheet while adding a layer of luxury that most smartphones never attempt. For the select few who can access and afford it, the W25 offers not just a phone, but an experience, a foldable flagship that redefines what it means to own the very best.